तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल.
Add on 2 hours video of the screening process, fine, so that it would be a supplement for that. So that video is fairly comprehensive, but over a period of time, getting points from various students and interacting with them, certain things I have realized. So let us put them in order. So first thing you should realize is that it is important to reach for your SSB well in time, because it is important that you are fresh and well rested. Because if that is not so, you may have problems of concentration. And also it is important to know that in case you are attending AFSB, then the psychology tests are going to take place the same day. So that also requires decent amount of mental stamina. And in case you are tired out, maybe you would be half asleep and you will not be able to concentrate when words and pictures are being flashed in front of you. So these things are important. Please make a note. Now, dress up properly, be neat and clean, look decent look should be there. I'm not saying that you wear a tie and all that, but if you have a shabby look and you are in bathroom slippers and all, then it will create a bad impression, and in a short time, chances of your screening out increase. So don't take such chances. Now, one thing I picked up from some of you students is that at times what happens that when you are shown the picture, the place where you're sitting is not clearly visible, and there is no time for you to raise your hand and tell the psychologist that this happened, that happened. Nobody is bothered. There is a rush and they are in a hurry to finish off things. So please get up, relocate yourself, observe the picture well, because you have to write the story. It is your responsibility and nobody is bothered about whether you are doing it well or not. So please do that. Then still, this COVID protocol is continuing. Then quite a few people find that they have bought a new mask and it is very tight and it causes problems, and sometimes the mask tends to slip. And the assessors are pretty particular that your COVID protocol should be good. So your 15% of your concentration is going towards your mask, and at times it is hampering your ability to converse. So suggestion is that go for a soft cloth mask and see if you can speak with it comfortably. Don't wear a fresh thing there, because these small things can cause problems. Then another important thing which I have noted, I have been saying earlier also, that when because of this background created by these coaching academies, various websites and all that, people go in a lot of panic. They think that their time is not there, so they are in a hurry to write story, and as a result, their ability to grasp the picture is reduced, and which is bad. If you take a little more time in observing the picture and formulating a sensible story, and even if you are not able to write the complete story, it is not bad. But if you go off at a tangent without interpreting the picture properly and writing the story in a rushed up manner, and you go off at a tangent, you may finish it off in time, but that is worse, far worse than getting the story in the a right kind of story, deliberately formulated, is far better than a rushed up story which is not relating well to the picture. So make a note of this. Thereafter, there are some people have questions that, can you change the story? And change the story at what stage? When you start listening to others and you feel that your story is not okay and you suddenly become totally, you have lost confidence. My advice is please don't do it. Stick to your story because after all, you observed the picture and based on that, you have made a story. If others as a group are differing from you, don't get overly bothered. When the discussion stage comes, then you can shift your outlook in making of the consensus story, but initially starting to changing your story while you are thinking of narrating and all that, that would be a bad idea. Fine. So these were some of the things I wanted to tell